Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Outliers. Let's look at the news making the rounds in the crypto space. Web3 firms are spending up to $25 million on Hong Kong crypto licenses, a report says. So many firms are hustling for crypto licenses in Hong Kong. Remember, like we reported earlier last week, so many firms are moving over to Hong Kong to grab what is called the virtual assets service providers license in Hong Kong, and it's costing them about $2.5 million to $25 million to secure such license in Hong Kong. So Hong Kong is leading the way in terms of crypto regulations, providing a clear path, and so many firms are moving over there to secure the licenses. Firms like crypto exchange OKX, Hashkey, OSL, Gate.io, they are moving over to secure this license. As of June 27, OKX has grown to 8,800 registered users in Hong Kong with a cumulative trading volume of $150 million in the Special Administrative Region of China. So the Chinese government mapped out a particular area which they call the Special Administrative Region for these crypto activities to take place. And on the 1st of June, Hong Kong unveiled new VSSP license, that is Virtual Asset Service Provider licensing requirements for crypto exchanges. Among many items, firms must make proper disclosures on user statistics and company financials to the Securities and Futures Commissions of Hong Kong for regulatory approval. Exchanges that do not abide by the requirements will be required to cease operations in the SAR region, that is the Special Administrative Region, by the middle of next year. And in the Twitter handle of CZ of Binance, he said that Hong Kong moving forward, so he's happy with developments in Hong Kong. Most Web3 firms are liking the clarity of the legislation of Hong Kong. Moving forward, venture capitalists that called crypto bottom predict institutional floodgates will open as regulated systems appear. Just like in our last story, the more clarity we have in the crypto space, the more institutional companies will invest in the industry, like your pension fund, asset management firms. So they need clarity, and Hong Kong and Singapore, they are providing the path for this type of clear regulation and legislations that will guide the crypto space, unlike what we are seeing in America, where the SEC is regulating by enforcement. Filing of ETF applications last week by BlackRock, and today a report has it that Fidelity, one of the biggest asset managers in the United States, is also planning to file for Bitcoin ETF, and that is what is pushing the price today to 31,000, the price of Bitcoin to 31,000. So it goes to buttress the fact that once there is regulation, so many institutional firms will come in. Even if they don't invest directly on Bitcoin, they will invest via the ETF, exchange traded funds, that those reputable companies are now registering. If you check our video of last week, why Bitcoin is pumping, you will see where we explained about BlackRock's ETF filing and other cryptocurrency news. We make cryptocurrency news every day, keeping you informed of what is happening in the space. Moving on, Bitfinex launches peer-to-peer trading platform in Argentina, Colombia, and Venezuela. Peer-to-peer trading has been one of the major ways people buy cryptocurrency. Binance has peer-to-peer trading, and Bitfinex is venturing into the space now in Argentina, Colombia, and Venezuela, whereby users of the platform in those countries can trade amongst each other. Moving ahead to Japan, the Japan Times say that crypto tumult in US may be a boon for Japan. Solid legal framework opens path for growth. So the Japanese industry is seeing an opportunity because of the recent crackdown of the SEC in America. The Japanese regulatory bodies are taking it as an opportunity to create proper legal frameworks for crypto and digital companies to open and do business in Japan and flourish, like Noriyuki Hiroshi, who heads Tokyo-based cryptocurrency exchange Bitbank, said that US regulators are increasingly tightening controls, but that doesn't mean the same things will happen in Japan. Noriyuki is also the chair of Japan's crypto asset business associations. So the Japanese, like I said earlier, the Japanese regulatory agencies are have already laid down good solid legal framework for cryptocurrency and crypto assets companies and service providers to come and do business in Japan. And it's gradually nurturing the crypto industry in that part of the world. We'll keep an eye on that for you. Moving on, regulators in Japan and Singapore team up to explore digital asset tokenization. So Japan and Singapore, the Financial Services Authority of Japan and Monetary Authority of Singapore have joined forces in Project Guardian, aimed at exploring the potential application of digital technology, specifically asset tokenization. So these two countries are teaming up to explore application of crypto assets, especially in the area of asset tokenization. How do you tokenize company stocks? How do you tokenize bonds? How do you tokenize real estate? These are the areas they will be looking into, because crypto and blockchain technology is here to stay. The earlier government tries to move in this direction, regulate it, bring out proper legal frameworks on how this will function. The countries that can do that properly, like Japan and Singapore, are showing the way, will immensely benefit from this new technology. And finally, a report says that Swiss authorities seized $26 million in cryptocurrency linked to Terraform Labs and Do Kwon. Remember, Terraform Labs and Do Kwon, Terra collapsed late last year, and since then, Do Kwon, one of the co-founders, has been on the run. So, local media in South Korea revealed that the funds were confiscated from Signum Bank, a crypto bank based in Zurich. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is said to have played a significant role in this operation. So the U.S. SEC notified the Swiss authorities and they confiscated this money from Signum Bank, a crypto bank based in Zurich. So Do Kwon has a lot on his plate right now. He was earlier sentenced to 4 months in prison in Montenegro for document forgery. And right now, the US authorities and the Swiss authorities collaboratively seized $26 million of crypto assets linked to him. So he has a lot on his plate. Okay guys, that's a wrap for today. Remember to like and subscribe for you to be ahead and be informed of what is going on in the market daily. Remember, it's an asymmetric market. The more information you have at your fingertips, the more money you will make in this space. And finally, nothing said in this video is a financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any crypto assets. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.